let's go. Woo, wheelies for days. Humongous, wasn't it?
Alright, we got one more.
And again,
So
humongous.
that concludes our little
Motor riding adventure.
motor riding adventure. Yes, exactly that.
Today was very fun. We got to do lots of stuff. Daly got to see me crash a couple of times.
Pull his
Okay, a lot.
pants down with the accelerator.
But right now, we're having a lot of fun. Daly hasn't ridden in a while and he did really well today. Made me happy. I haven't ridden in a while. It was so fun to ride with him. Never done it before, apart from at the track called Cruisix. Look
Yeah,
up Cruisix Ride Park if you're in Australia, in Victoria. Go there. It's an amazing place.
yeah. If you want to snap your arm like I did. So that concludes our little moto adventure for this vlog. I'll try and do some more videos. Please like and subscribe.
Make sure you watch the whole video because I do some sick wheelies. I
Yeah.
fall off and my
And
pants get stuck on the accelerator. It's
And
amazing.
like, I'm not too sure when it was, but when Oakley and I swapped over, the second time, when I went on first, then Oakley, then when I went back on, we do racing starts, and every time I do a racing start, I pop a wheelie, and it didn't really look like it because we just edited a bit of it, and it doesn't look that good, but we only taped my phone to the front of the motorbike.
yeah,
So
it was pretty good for.
it was pretty good for just duct taping
We've
there.
got to admit though, the whole video was really fun. Make sure you get into riding yourself; it'll be really good. And I've just forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, and by the way, the poor bike, it's run out of oil. It's nearly the engine's just about to blow up, and that means
We fried it.
the piston might break and snap, and then you won't be able to use it, and it cost about $800 to fix, or maybe below $1,000 to fix. Poor bike, but it's a great Honda CRF 100. Thanks for watching Daily Vlogs.
Yeah, here did my conclusion. See you later.